You're gonna love the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This sleek MKZ is the antidote to today's hectic world, with quietly powerful performance, touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assist features, a lush interior, and impeccably tasteful styling. This four-door luxury sedan delivers the calm you crave. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: all-wheel drive, keyless entry, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power passenger seat, active suspension, satellite radio, keyless start, backup camera, aluminum wheels. Quiet power blends with premium comfort in this expressive MKZ. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.